So today I'm back over at PFI, got my H22 over here, my block. Got all the parts I need to put the bottom end together, and the head gasket should be coming hopefully tomorrow. So got my new rods in, got the Manly H-beams. I was gonna go with like an I-beam or something stronger, but they're a little out of the price range. And I wanted to compare real quick. This is an old Eagle rod for an H22 I found in some toolbox over there. And this is the Manly rod that I just got in. And as you can see, it is quite a bit thicker than the Eagle rod. And these were the same rods I was just running in the car. So hopefully this rod is quite a bit stronger. Should hold the power just fine. Also got new Mall gold pistons. Went with 11:1 compression, or 11.5:1, so high compression turbo. Won't need as much boost to make that same power. And with the power I'm at, having the high compression pistons isn't gonna hurt anything at all. And I'm running E85, so there should not be an issue there. Got the rod bearings right here. And now I just got to try to ball hone all the cylinders. Hopefully this scratch in this first cylinder will come out pretty good. It's not too deep, but I'll find out once I run the hone through it. And once that's all done, you can just start throwing it together.
He said fuck that one.
It is absolutely pouring outside. You can see the gutter just overfilling. So I got all the cylinders ball honed out. Not sure if you can hear it or not, but it is absolutely pouring outside. They had to shut the garage door. It's just hailing and flooding and thunderstorms like crazy right now. So it's a little loud in here. But I got those ball honed out, and the scratch that was in this first cylinder is just barely there still. Just barely. But I don't think it's gonna hurt it at all. Brent thinks it's good. I'm just gonna run with it. We already have all the parts ready to go. Just gonna slap it together and YOLO it. Should be fine. But I already got this first ring gap done right here. And I'm just gonna go through, get all the ring gaps done, get the rings put on the pistons, put the pistons on the rods, and then just start assembling the block, and we'll be good.
That's it.
Got it?
Done deal.
Easy. Easy. How much height the pistons have? Way more compression now. Gonna make the same power on 5 less PSI.
Tarp's going up.
So I just got the bottom end completely together. All it needs is the oil pickup, gasket, and pan, and the block is ready to go. Everything's torqued down. So I had some help from Todd getting this first one done, and he kind of just showed me where I should window the rings and help me out a little bit there, because I did honestly forget about where the rings need to be positioned and stuff. So I got the other 3 done, then he came back and helped me torque them down. Got that all done. He was over here working on his CRX. He's getting this thing ready. Go take it to Bandamere, which is our local drag strip. We also got the 7-second Mustang on the dyno right now. Hoping to make quite a bit of power. Easy 1,000 horsepower for sure. Got Shane hooking it up. How much you think he's gonna make?
Oh, 1,600 I feel like.
1,600? Yeah. I know he'll do 14. I've already seen it.
Easily.
63.
So I just brought my bottom end home, got it all ready to go into the car tomorrow. All I need, like I said, is the head gasket and also a oil pan gasket, which I can get tomorrow. The head gasket should be here, but we'll see where we can get and hopefully have this hatch up and running soon.